Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get serious now, because it's time to start making some money. I have absolutely no clue how I'm gonna do this, so let's just dive right into this. Alright, so let's ask the internet how to make money online. What do we have here? Some ads and a bunch of websites. I'm not gonna read this, to be honest. Let's just go on YouTube and do this the smart way. So today's video is not going to be about making money yet. It's time to start making some money. And the reason is that I still need some significant knowledge to know how to make money online. So I will go on the best platform to learn, which is YouTube. I just listed a couple of tutorials that I found interesting, so I will look at them, I will explain them to you, and I will choose which ones will I follow and which ones will I discard. I have just finished watching the tutorials. I'm really exhausted, you can see it on my mood right now, and... Is this real? Did I finally make it? I have just finished watching the tutorials and let me tell you what they were about. So they mention affiliate marketing a lot. Affiliate marketing is basically me trying to help a company sell a product, and if I succeed, I get paid. I can do the same thing online, but instead of a product, I am forwarding a URL to customers, and if they buy the product through that URL, I get a commission from it. I have never done that, I just saw it in many tutorials, so that's how I know this. But I'm also wondering, like, if I would want to buy a product, if I could buy it through my link, and then I would get a commission for buying my product, so I would have like a good discount. That would be pretty cool if that would be possible. It's like life hacks 101. Alright, so let me explain you what were the tutorials about. The tutorial copy paste to earn 5k by Dave Nick. So I go on a website, and that website is trying to sell a product to other websites to rank them better, to make them like more visible on Google among the first ones basically. So my goal is to find websites that don't rank good enough and contact them through email. I will say something like, hey, your website is really cool, it could have a lot of potential customers, but it doesn't have them because it doesn't rank that high. So if you buy this product, you will be able to get more customers because blah blah blah. Okay, that's it. I will send them that email, and if they buy the product through my link, I will get a commission from it. That's basically it. I will try it out. The thing is that there's a 10-day free trial on that website. I have no clue if he promoted that website because they paid him for it, or if it's a really good website. I'll try it out. My deadline is in 10 days when I'll start, so you will see if I succeed or not. Now the tutorial number 2 is very similar to affiliate marketing, but it's called CPA. It's like cost per acquisition. I am not sure what that means, but I will tell you. It's basically I download an app, and on the app there's like plenty of offers. I choose one offer and I get like a link to that offer, and that link says, for example, make 10 people to sign up for this website. So I go on a different website and I pay 10 people to sign up for that specific website, and then that offer pays me more than I pay to those people. That's basically the main methodology of it. Now the cool thing is that I could, for example, combine these two things, like tutorial 1 with tutorial 2, or combine all the tutorials together. First of all, I will complete the tutorials and then I will be able to start combining them. 7 ways to make your first 100k online by Iman Ghazi. It's interesting, however, it's about online jobs, and I am not interested in that. I'm interested in making my passive income right now. There's, for example, remote sales or flip sneakers. Like, I'm not gonna flip sneakers, I don't even understand sneakers that well. But they are interesting. Like, of course, he also mentions affiliate marketing and then a lot of freelancing jobs. So the next tutorial Copy and paste YouTube Shorts to earn money. That's pretty simple. I just go on TikTok, I find videos that interest me or some like popular videos. I download them through a specific app that removes like the TikTok watermark, and I post them on my YouTube Shorts. Then I have to go to Canva to modify them a bit, like because of copyright stuff. And then I paste them on my YouTube Shorts, and after a few videos my channel should blow up. Then there's get paid $15 to watch videos. It's basically that I will sign up to a site, put my email there, and they will email me every day to watch certain videos, and they will pay me for that. Then there is a lazy way to make $100 a day. The guy wants me to go on YouTube and find a specific niche, or how is it called?
Niche.
For example, let's say finances. So I'll type finances. I'll find the first few channels that are about finances. I'll click on them, look at their videos, write what are the videos about in my own words, and then make myself videos about that. After the video is completed, I will go to an affiliate link that is similar to the
niche.
Talking about. For example, if I'm talking about finances, then it will be related to finances. I will put that link under my video, and if the people will see the video, click on the link and buy the product through that link, I will earn a commission. So now we go to the most interesting tutorial, how to make $1 online. It took 20 minutes for the tutorial. It was pretty interesting. He managed to go from a zero balance to $1. However, he didn't mention the website on which he was making the $1. So I cannot follow the tutorial, unfortunately. But it was very interesting, and in the future, if I manage to know which website it is, I will definitely try it out. The next two tutorials, 7.5 online jobs from your phone and 12 side hustles. It's time for money. The next one is 7 high paying side hustles, 900 on day one. This looks very interesting. It's a high effort, like this is not going to be easy at all to do. However, I think this could be correct, that I could really earn that much money, but it's really hard to do. For example, one thing that I want to try out is drop servicing. It's not drop shipping, it's drop servicing. Is that I create myself a website and I offer a service, and when someone buys the service from me, I go on a different website, buy the service from them, and then deliver the service to the person that bought it from me. I basically earn money on that difference. The downside is that I will have to advertise my website somehow, and again, it's time for money. It's not that much of a passive income, however, it sounds cool, so I may try it out in the future. And it's also interesting to, if I manage to do this, I will know how things work. Then flipping websites, I may try that one out as well, but again, it's time for money. So for this tutorial, unique $1,000 per week that nobody does. It's basically similar as the second tutorial. It's again CPA Things. However, instead of paying people to complete them, I will send automated emails to people that are already interested in this thing. Then the last tutorial, 100 websites to make money. It was interesting. There was a lot of things. It took me 1 hour to watch it. However, for example, there's Teespring. That's pretty interesting. It's like you create a design and you put it on a shirt, and if people buy the shirt, you don't have to do anything. You just get the money and the company does everything for you, like creates the shirt, prints it on the shirt and sends it to the people. So that's pretty interesting. However, I will stick to these tutorials, to the winners. Copy and paste, get paid $6. Copy and paste YouTube Shorts, get paid to watch videos. I will try the lazy way to make money online. Then I'll try the unique 1,000 Now, this video wasn't as I expected. I thought that I will already do things, but I realized that I didn't know anything about making money online, like absolutely anything. This was basically my first baby step, and in my next tutorials, I will be already trying to make the money for real. This tutorial took me also a long time to publish and to make, to do everything, because I'm still figuring out how iMovie works, and sometimes it's pain. Like, for example, I have a video. Alright guys, so I just took a warm shower, as you can see, so I can think straight again. No more excuses about why did I do or didn't do the video in the time I wanted. I wanted to do it in 3 days and I did it in 4 days. That's good, honestly. And if I'll upload it tomorrow in 5 days, sure. I know that I'll improve and I'll get better at this. So my next video hopefully will come in 3 days already. Also, if you want to see something specific, leave it in the comments. If you liked something or disliked something about the video, just write it down as well. Don't be afraid to press the like or dislike button. And yeah, see you in the next video. Oh, wait. And the next video, we need to get serious there, because that one is going to be about making money for real already. That will be the serious thing.